Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we're diving into one of the top choices for rolling papers, the Big Bamboo Cigarette Rolling Papers. If you're on the hunt for a quality paper to roll your cigarettes, look no further. These are hands down the best bamboo rolling papers available. The Big Bamboo Cigarette Rolling Papers come in a convenient pack of 4 booklets, with each booklet containing 33 single-wide sheets. The paper itself is made from plant-based materials, ensuring that you're using an eco-friendly option without compromising on quality. These papers are a great choice for anyone looking for a smooth, slow burn and a consistent experience. One of the standout features of these rolling papers is their versatility. Whether you're a seasoned smoker or just starting out, these papers are easy to handle. They're designed for a perfect roll, providing a smooth smoking experience every time. With their single-wide size, they are ideal for those who prefer a more traditional cigarette shape. Not only are these papers easy to use, but they also burn incredibly well. You won't experience any harsh aftertaste or uneven burning, making them perfect for those who value a clean and enjoyable smoke. The Big Bamboo rolling papers are also durable enough to withstand the occasional mishap during rolling, making them a reliable choice. The packaging is practical too. It comes in a pack of 4 booklets, which is ideal for anyone who smokes regularly. This gives you great value for money while ensuring you always have a fresh booklet on hand. Each booklet is compact and easy to store, whether you're at home or on the go. For those of you who care about the environment, the Big Bamboo papers are a step in the right direction. Made with plant-based materials, these papers are biodegradable, which means they won't harm the environment. Plus, with a 4.7-star rating on Amazon from over 780 customers, you can trust that you're getting a tried-and-true product that people love. To sum it up, if you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly, and high-quality rolling paper, Big Bamboo is the way to go. Whether you're rolling a quick cigarette or taking your time with a more relaxed smoke, these papers won't disappoint. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews like this one. See you next time.